Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your reticle or crosshairs in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and access the homepage. And then from here, select the settings icon that appear on the top right corner. So select that and choose settings from the menu that appears. Now within the settings, go to the controller option and then choose the combat section. Now within the combat section, find the hard section and you should see options that you can customize your reticle or your crosshairs. Now from here, you can either choose to change the reticle type. So for me, I have set it to crosshairs, but you can select this option and then choose the one you desire. So there are 5 of them. There's the default one, which is the circle with a dot. That's the default one. And then you can choose the circle only, and then you can choose crosshair, dots, or you can choose circle and crosshair. So I'll just leave it at crosshairs. And then press the plus button next to the advanced option to customize your reticle or your crosshair. Now you can choose to either enable or disable the reticle animation. So for instance, if you want it off and if you want it on, you can simply toggle this switch off and on to enable or disable it. And you should see a preview next to it and to show you what that reticle animation is all about. Now you can simply choose to adjust the width of your crosshair. So you can simply select that and then adjust the width. So you can either increase it, as you can see, there's a change in the preview, and you can reduce it. So adjust it to whichever position you prefer. And also you can additionally adjust the dot width, the crosshair width by simply selecting the details under the width. So if you want to adjust, simply make the changes you prefer from here and then proceed to the next one. Now you can choose the opacity of the reticle. So for me, okay, by default it's set to 100. So if you want to reduce this, you can simply reduce it, select that arrow, and you should see the changes appear on the preview. So as you can see, you can increase the opacity or you can reduce the opacity. Now also you can change the additional opacity settings by simply selecting the plus icon next to details. And then now you can choose to individually change the dot opacity or the crosshair opacity. Now you can choose to change the outline width of the crosshair. So you can simply adjust it to suit your needs. So you can either increase it, as you can see the changes apply, or reduce it. And you can see a preview of what it's all about. And also you can do the same by if you want to do that individually for the dot and for the crosshair. Now you can also choose the outline opacity. You can simply adjust it to suit your needs. So you can either reduce it, you can see the changes, or increase it. And also if you want to select it individual, like if you want to change the dot or the crosshair outline opacity individually, you can just select the plus icon under the details and then adjust it to suit your needs. Now you can choose to have a blur if you want. So you can either increase the blur strength or you can just reduce it. So you can increase it or just reduce it to suit your needs. Alternatively, additionally, you can just select the plus and also customize for the dots and customize for the crosshair blur. Now, additionally, you can choose the crosshair length. You can adjust it to suit your needs. So you can either increase it, as you can see, or you can simply reduce it to suit your needs. So I'll just leave it at maximum just for the sake of the video. And then now you can choose the angle. So you can adjust the angle of the crosshair and find the one that suits you. So I'll just put it at, let's say, that angle. That's fine. And then finally, you can adjust the color. So you can choose the drop down arrow that appears next to color and choose the color that you prefer. So if you want a green one or you want a red one, you can simply adjust it to suit your needs. Now, once you're done with all that, all you have to do is scroll to the top and save if you have that option enabled. But if you don't have that option enabled, all you have to do is save as new. And then now type in the custom name for that reticle or crosshair. So let's just say that one. And then once done, simply confirm. And now that will be your custom reticle. Now you can test this on the game. You can launch a game and then you'll see how the changes will look. So let me just launch a game. And now once you launch a game, now you can see the changes have been applied on your reticle, or rather the changes on your reticle have been applied. So that's basically it on how to change and customize your reticle in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.